talked about the miracle leaf on my previous video on how to eat it, how to get the best results out of this miracle leaf. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can eat this leaf because it's raw leaf. Okay, it's raw, so people are like, I cannot eat it, it's wrong and all that. I can't eat the leaves just like that and all that. So I'm like, oh, but the leaves taste nice, honestly, even without you using it with any other thing. That is the very first leaf I have seen that you can eat without adding anything, without cooking, and it's nice. Okay, it's very, very good for your health. Okay, so this leaf is very good for your health. So I talked about if you have ulcer, okay, especially those of us who have been treating ulcer in and out and it's not working, go ahead and get this miracle leaf and chew on the ulcer. Let's say 3 leaves in the morning and at night. Within 2 weeks, honestly, you won't feel the ulcer again. And someone that have diabetes, I talked about it, someone that has diabetes, let the person just go ahead and make use of this miracle leaf on diabetes. You can squeeze out the water, you can chew it raw, and the result is just amazing. If someone that has injury that have refused to heal and other, and you have used several things, it's not actually working, this miracle leaf, I mean, as the name implies, miracle leaf, it works perfectly well. Okay, it's really performing real miracle. So this is the leaf that I'm talking about right here. So I have the leaves here. This is the miracle leaf that I'm talking about. For those of us who do not know miracle leaf, or for you have not watched the previous video, I talked about this miracle leaf. This leaf is very, very good. Honestly, it's very good. It cures countless of sicknesses. Even a pregnant woman can actually take this leaf. Yes. It's very safe on pregnant women, okay? If you have joint pain, you have back pain, if you have constant sickness that you don't even know the causes or where it comes from and all that, and you have used several things, it's not working, go ahead and make use of this miracle leaf. This leaf works more than to what you can ever think or imagine. I'm telling you the truth. People have been giving amazing testimony on this leaf, on how it works for them. Okay, this leaf is very active, super active, very effective. Go ahead and make use of this leaf. If you have any sickness that you don't even know what the name is called, or doctor cannot even diagnose, go ahead and try this miracle leaf. Go ahead and try this miracle leaf. It's very, very good, very effective. So one thing I'm going to show you, if you don't know how to eat this, if you cannot eat this leaf raw the way it is, so eat it this way. So I have peanuts here, this granite. I have peanuts. I hope you can see this, okay? So I have granite here, this peanut. So what you do, just take some piece of the granite, put in your mouth, then cut one of the leaf and chew it. That is the way you are going to be eating it. Honestly, if you are eating it that way, it's very, very nice. So go ahead and give me your feedback.